Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 10 of YÖS examination geometry section. In this question we have CB is perpendicular to AB, creating a 90-degree angle. We have angles ADC, which is equal to angle DAB, which is equal to 60. So here they are. And we have DC, which is equal to 2, AD, which is equal to 7, and AB, which is equal to X. Now, as we see this figure, what can we see? We see that we have a half triangle. Why is that? Because if I take a line like this and a line like this, I can create a right triangle. Now I will name this point as F. Now what do we know here? We know that this angle is 60, this angle is 90 degrees. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Is 180. So 180 minus 150, so this angle will be equal to 30 degrees. What else do we know? We know that two interior angles of a triangle is equal to one exterior angle of a triangle. So we know that this 60 degrees is equal to 30 and this angle. So if this is 60, this is 30, it means that this angle is equal to 30 degrees, as you can see. Now what do we have here? Since this is 2, we have an isosceles triangle, so two sides are equal to each other. So if this side is 2, then this side will be equal to 2. Now since we are dealing with the right triangle, what is the rule we have to apply here? Since we know the hypotenuse, which is 9, we know that the hypotenuse will always be in this special triangle. So knowing this, we know that AF is equal to 2 times AB, which in this case is X. So what is the value of X? We know that AF is 9, so 9 is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 9 over 2. Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 11. In this question we will be dealing again with triangles. So as you can see, we have two triangles. What are the information? We have angle BAC, which is equal to angle BED, which is equal to 90. So this angle is equal to this angle, and they are 90 degrees. We have BD, which is equal to 5. We have AC, which is equal to 12. And we have DE, which is equal to 4. And we are as the length of EC. So we have to find the value of X. Now, what do we have over here? Let's go with the first information. So as you can see here, we are dealing with a right triangle, a common right triangle. If the hypotenuse is 5, one of the sides is 4, it means that the other side, it will be equal to 3. What is another information that we can find here? We can see that these two triangles, as you can see, we have two triangles. These two triangles share a common angle. Let me call this angle as A. Now, if we look at the big triangle, we see that its angles are 90, A, and I will name this angle as B. Now, let's look at the small triangle. So we have angle A, we have angle 90, which are the same. So this angle must be equal to B as well. So what do we see here? We see that we are dealing with similar triangles. Why? Because they share the same angles, the same interior angles. So what is the rule we have to apply here? We have to, for example, we have to play with the sides, the value of the sides of both triangles. So if we look at the side, if we refer to the small triangle, we look at the side of angle A, we have 4, and that will be 4 over the side in front of the angle A again. So that will be 4 over 12. Remember, these are rules that we can apply only when we are dealing with similar triangles. And that will be equal to another side. Now let's take angle 90. So what is the side in front of angle 90? We have 5. So 5 over, what is the side in front of angle 90? We have 3 plus x, and that's going to be 3 plus x. Now it's very easy to find the value of x. We have 4 times 3, it's 12, plus 4x, because we are cross multiplying. 5 times 12, it's 60, so 4x is equal to 48, and x is equal to 12. Greetings everyone, and welcome to question number 12. In this question we have ABC is a triangle. So ABC is a triangle. EF is equal to 2. EF is equal to 2. AE is equal to FC, which is equal to 3. So we have AE, which is equal to 3, and FC, which is equal to 3. And we have EB, which is equal to 4. And we are given the area of a triangle ABC, which is equal to 35 centimeters squared. So we are talking about the big triangle. We have the area of AFE, which is S1, the area of CFB, which is S2, and we are asked the sum of S1 and S2. Now, what do we do here? This is all the information that we have. Now we have to see the relationship between sides and areas. How do we see that? Now let's refer to the triangle AFB. If we refer to this triangle, we see that the side FE divides this triangle into two parts, and these sides is divided into 3 and 4. Now by using the relationship between sides and area, I will see the relationship between areas. How do I do that? If this side is equal to 3, then if I use the relationship between sides and area, the area will be 3s, the area of triangle AEF. Now using the same logic, I will see that the area of FEB will be 4s. If this side was 3, then the area is 3s. If this side was 4, then the area will be 4s. Now ignore this triangle and let's look at the triangle ECB. If we look at this triangle, we see that BF divides this triangle into two parts, creating a side which is equal to 2 and creating a side which is equal to 3. Now using the same logic, by using the relationship between sides and the areas, we see that this 2 gives us, the side 2 gives us 4s. So if we have 2 for 4s, then 3 is going to be for what s? So we will try to find this, the area of s2. So we have 2x, let's call it. So 2x, which is equal to 12, so x is equal to 6. So the area of this triangle will be 6s. Now using the same logic, we will look at the triangle ACE. By looking at this triangle, we see that 2 goes for 3s. So we have here 2 which goes for 3s, and 3 goes for what? S. So we have here 2x, which is equal to 9s, and x is equal to 9 over 2s. So we know that the area of this triangle is 9 over 2s. Now that we know this information, all we have to do is add up these areas and equal that to 35, because we are given the area of the big triangle. So let's do that. We have 3s plus 4s plus 6s plus 9 over 2s, which is equal to 35. What do we have here? 3s, 7s, 13s times 2, 26, plus 9, 35 over 2s, which is equal to 35. So s is equal to 2. Now that we found the value of s, we can easily find the value of s1 and s2. What is the value of s1? Is 3s, which is equal to 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. S2 is equal to 6s, which is equal to 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. So the sum of s1 and s2 is equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18. And this is the right answer for this question.